you need to understand volume profile shapes, and here is why. There are different volume profile shapes that suggest that there are expected moves from those volume profile shapes. So if we combine those with composite profiles, understanding balance, you can really hone in on the context and the direction of the market. Now there are several shapes that we can look at. Here is a P-shaped volume profile. Here is a general D-shaped volume profile, a double distribution, right? We've got them all just in this screenshot. Now, the P-shaped volume profile suggests that there's heaviness of volume into the top, which means that we've made a move to the upside swing, and now all of that balance that's being created into the top in combination with the composite extreme suggests that buyers are losing their ground, which typically looks like a reversal type move. The D-shaped profile, or just a balance profile, suggests that there is heavy-handed buying activity and sell activity into the tops and bottoms, and you expect prices to hold within that area. Now, D-shapes are great because the following day, once you get an expansion outside of that D-shape, you have a high probability of seeing a trend move, this larger trend move that happens. Now, double distributions, or capital Bs, are broken down as such. When you're trading into the top band of that capital B, the midpoint and where that bulk of the distribution shapes up, where it drops off, is a huge support structure if you're sustained above it. It's the same if you're sustained below it. The only one that's really missing is the B-shaped profile, which is just the flip side of the capital P, where we have the expected move of buyers holding out the balance into the lows before turning prices higher. So a combination of understanding these shapes with the composite profile really helps you understand context as well as areas where you can trade from. You can take a look at this prior double distribution over here. The heaviness of volume over here that drops off into the composite profile suggests that if we're above it, I want to take longs. So the long setup was down here, as well as an order flow combination to drive prices higher into the end of the day. So just a few simple tweaks, and you can use these very easy shapes to remember with your composite profile, a touch of order flow, and you've got a trade setup on your hands. For more info like this, free PDF is down below. It covers volume analysis, distributions, as well as order flow.